apart this whole amp rack and radio box and then rewiring everything. We're gonna do brand new amp rack, brand new Chucheros, brand new tabla. The only thing that we're keeping original, honestly, is the subwoofer setup that he has now. He's got two Sundown Audio 12-inch subwoofers. So I'm not gonna say the model number until I take them apart because I'm not even sure. But what we're gonna do is he's got one tweeter inside that Chuchero that needs to be repaired. I'll show you close-ups of everything as the process continues. He's got two speakers that need to be recombed. You know, we're gonna get rid of this radio box because it's not gonna suffice for what we need. We need 3 EQs, and by EQ I mean equalizer. What that is basically a sound processor where you can manipulate which frequencies and tones you want to hear more than others. But let's get to it, guys. Let's start taking apart this amp rack. I'm going to show you close-ups of the whole process. I am going to speed it up just because, you know, it is a long process, but let's get to it. I'm going to show you one of the most common mistakes made in car audio. Now, mind you, this is a smaller amp rack and beauty panel, but that doesn't, you know, make up for the fact that when you run your power wires, this is the RCA cable going back to the radio and to the other crossovers and sound processing. You don't want to run any power cables near your RCAs, your speaker wires, because you'll get interference and static or ruido. You're gonna get like a hissing, and it's very obnoxious, especially when you have, you know, a setup in your car where you're driving it every day and you know you want nice clean sound the whole time. It messes everything up. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it, but let's get back to work and start taking apart this amp rack. we got two options. This is his original radio box, and you can go with a similar style. Let's go from here. So we got two options. This is his original radio box that I'm about to take care of and take apart now. We can go with a similar style again, or we can go with, you know, a nicer, cleaner look. But ultimately, that's up to the customer because these are a little more expensive. So we're gonna ask him. We're gonna see what we want to do. Let's start taking this thing apart, though. It's now third thing we gotta take apart. We're gonna take this old Chuchero. It's got a regular, just 12-inch box. Pretty standard, nothing crazy. And since we're changing the setup, the whole configuration of the box is going to be a little different for the next one at least. Right now he's got two 12s, one driver, two tweeters. We are going to take it and make it two voice speaker, three tweeter across, and it's going to be a different style box. Instead of it being regular, it's going to be Brazilian. So let's start taking this thing apart. Show you close up. So the speaker that I need to repair, we're just going to go ahead and bolt it. So let's get started. Today's video. There's not much that I can do in terms of taking stuff apart today. I've got the deposit still being waited on. I have to discuss with the customer, but as soon as the deposit comes in for everything, it should come in within the next few days. We're gonna start constructing the new Chucheros, the tabla, the driver, and the amp rack. When that happens, we'll do a new video, but as for now, everything's taken apart. And it's time to check out. So like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want more content, just let me know. You know, tell me what you guys want to see, and I'll put it out. So let me know.